Redmi Note 9 Pro. Enjoy a cinematic viewing experience with the 16.9 cm, 6.67 FHD plus dot display that features an in-display selfie camera with a stunning resolution. The Aura balanced design blends fashion and function with the addition of Corning Gorilla Glass 5 and P2i splash-proof nano coating. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 720G, gaming is effortless and efficient. Work and play uninterrupted with the huge 5020 mAh battery that is accompanied by the 18W fast charger. Have enough and more room for all your essentials with the 512GB expandable storage. Camera array that combines a powerful 48MP primary sensor, 8MP ultra-wide-angle lens, a 5MP macro lens and a 2MP macro lens, so you are ready to click in any condition. Click sharp and clear self-portraits on the powerful 16MP selfie camera. Enjoy truly limitless performance with the Performance Beast.